You get something called a parrotfish. Now we do have these in our very first exhibit as you come into the aquarium. You will notice these fish have bright colors like a parrot. They also have a beak, and that's what's important because that does help them eat their food. They eat algae that grows on coral, so they scrape at the coral with that beak to get the algae. Sometimes they get the hard coral in their mouth, but they do have a special set of teeth in their throat that crunch up any of that coral and make it into sand. They swallow the sand, it goes to their stomach. Eventually they have to get rid of it, so they go to the bathroom. So whenever you all are at the beach and playing in the sand, it's really parrotfish poo. All right, does anyone know a deadly desert hunter? Then add fish to the end.
Scorpion fish.
This one is a scorpion fish. Just like scorpions in the desert, these fish have venom, so you will find them in our venomous fish exhibit. And notice they have great camouflage, so they can lay on the seafloor and then attack their prey. There is a such thing as a goatfish, and they're found on coral reefs, and they're kind of funny looking. They have those little things hanging from their mouth. Those are called barbels, and those help them to locate food that's hidden in the sand. A top savanna predator.
Lionfish.
Lionfish, a very beautiful fish with brown and white stripes. They do have fins that kind of spread out everywhere, so whenever you look at them face to face, it looks like they have a lion's mane. So be sure to check those out in the venomous fish exhibit.
Batfish.
It is a batfish, a very unusual looking fish. It looks like a bat. It's found on the sea floor. Now they do have a special set of fins on their belly that they use to walk around on the sea floor.
Take a picture.
A masked nighttime scavenger, plus a colorful silky winged insect, plus fish. Oh, this one's called a raccoon butterfly fish. Has a mask just like a raccoon. We have lots of different types of butterfly fish in our coral reef exhibit. Most of them have that dark spot close to their tail. That's a false eye. It's used to confuse predators. The predator won't be able to tell which is the front, which is the back, and if the fish is coming or going.
Squirrelfish.
It is a squirrel fish. These guys have really big eyes. That's because they're nocturnal, so those eyes do help them to see better when it's dark. This fish cannot moo.
Catfish. Cow.
It is a cowfish. It doesn't make any noises at all, and that's what it looks like.
Lizardfish.
Lizardfish, long and skinny like a lizard. Typically they're found on the seafloor. They have pretty good camouflage for blending in with that environment. Early